Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today, we will show you how to show an error message in the product or cart in Shopify. We will do this using the products condition. Now, scroll through the list and select Products. We choose Products, select a product like Snow Bear, and set the rule to Block if found. Now, we will add a proper error message for the customers like, you need to add at least 2 products of Snow Bear. After that, you'll find the Advanced Settings section here. Click on Advanced Settings to view more options. Here we can see 2 checkboxes, Block Checkout Only, and Block Orders if any error occurs or app fails. To display the error message on the product or cart page, simply uncheck both options. Let's go and try to add Snow Bear in the cart. As you can see, the Snow Bear product page shows our error message. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!